Looking for great sound without breaking the bank? Today, we'll explore the best budget-friendly coaxial car speakers you can get for under $50. Perfect for upgrading your factory sound without emptying your wallet. Let's dive in. First up, the Kicker 46CS-C 44 packs a big punch for a small price. These 4-inch two-way coaxial speakers are rated at 50 watts RMS and feature a tough polypropylene cone with a ribbed polyester foam surround. They produce crisp highs, balanced mids, and surprisingly punchy bass for their size. Kicker's signature design also ensures durability and clean output, even at higher volumes. If you want a speaker upgrade that's small, affordable, and loud enough to improve your daily drive, the 46CS-C44 is a solid choice under $50. Next up, the Kenwood KFC1666R delivers reliable performance for anyone on a tight budget. Rated at 30 watts RMS, these 6.5-inch coaxials feature a polypropylene woofer and treated cloth surround for balanced, natural sound reproduction. The 1-inch balanced dome tweeter adds bright highs without being harsh, making vocals and instruments sound clean and lively. They're easy to install in most vehicles and provide a noticeable upgrade over worn-out factory speakers. If you want a trusted brand with smooth sound at a super affordable price, the KFC1666R is a no-brainer. The Pioneer TSF1634R is one of the best value options on the market. These 6.5-inch speakers handle 25 watts RMS and use an injection-molded polypropylene cone for clear, accurate mids and lows. The 1.5-inch cone tweeter delivers sharp highs without distortion, even at louder volumes. Built for easy drop-in installation, they're ideal for DIY upgrades on a budget. If you want reliable performance, smoother sound, and one of the most affordable brand name options out there, the Pioneer TSF1634R speakers deliver. For budget buyers looking for surprisingly strong bass and clear highs, the JVC CSJ620 is a hidden gem. Rated at 30 watts RMS, these 6.5-inch coaxials feature a hybrid rubberized cloth surround and a mica-injected polypropylene woofer cone. Their balanced dome tweeters deliver smooth treble without sounding tinny, even when the volume cranks up. Lightweight yet rugged, they're easy to install in most car doors or rear decks. If you want more depth and presence in your music without paying a premium, the JVC CSJ620 are an incredible bargain. Finally, the Boss CH6530 three-way coaxials offer big sound at a tiny price. Rated at 100 watts RMS, they feature a poly-injected cone, rubber surround, and piezoelectric tweeter mid-range combo for full, detailed sound across all frequencies. Designed for loudness and durability, these speakers perform surprisingly well in basic head unit-driven systems without an amplifier. They add plenty of brightness and a little extra bass compared to many factory systems. If you want loud, durable speakers under $50, the Boss CH6530 is a great entry-level upgrade. And that's our list of the top 5 best budget coaxial car speakers under $50. Which one will you install in your ride? Comment below and subscribe for more budget car audio upgrades.